All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about content security policy. Okay. So content security policy is an added layer of security that helps to detect and mitigate certain types of attacks, including cross-site scripting, XSS, and data injection attacks. These attacks are used for everything from data theft to site defamation to distribution of malware. So CSP is designed to be fully backward compatible. Browsers that don't support it still work with servers that implement it, and vice versa. Browsers that don't support CSP simply ignore it, functioning as usual, defaulting to the standard same origin policy for web content. If the site doesn't offer CSP header, browsers likewise use the standard same origin policy. Okay. So the content security policy is very important because it adds a layer of security that helps to detect and mitigate certain types of attacks. So this is an important part of understanding HTTP because security is always important. So there you go. That's content security policy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.